walk-up paddle day we've had all season. It is not safe for us to go out with a large group that direction, but we have extra permission this weekend. Today we can go all the way to 3rd, which is super cool.
Hey everyone, we're here with Principals Brooklyn doing a canoeing experience, a paddle and pedal. A pedal and a paddle. We're here in the Gowanus Canal, probably one of the most polluted waterways or bodies of water in the whole country. I'm here with my co-captain, co-paddler Aaron, who's doing a great job just keeping us into the wind. We have a nice breeze coming in from the southwest, I believe. Aaron, you checked the charts, right? Or were those your astrology charts? God damn it.
Where the water quality is a little bit better of all the toxic sludge that was there, the black mayonnaise, which was essentially a stew of about 10 to 12 feet of horribly toxic chemicals, materials, coal tar, because the EPA is worried that if they dig out all the muck down below in the middle of the canal and the sides are too weak, the whole thing will collapse in on itself. The coal tar comes from back in the middle of the 19th century when you had literally on this site right in front of us the gas. These were giant facilities that took coal and turned it into a gas, and that gas went out to power or to light up lights in homes and to do other things. The problem is the byproduct of that process is coal tar, and coal tar is a carcinogen.
Hello.
So literally just mainly eyes and ears for people who have power sometimes so they know what the issues are is really critical. This waterway has always been written off as being totally dead and devoid of life because it's so polluted. Not the case. But there was tons of life. Fish. We've seen birds tonight. We saw the night heron. The birds are here because there are fish in these waters, as unlikely as it may seem.